Ah. Yeah. Just don't hook me, please. Just give me a second, actually. Wait before you cast. Let me move out of your way.
You got PTSD from Dad?
I do, actually. It's pretty bad. Reel it faster. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, buddy.
Heck yeah, a little green sunfish. Here, let some line out.
Can you like... Thank you.
There you go. There's your trophy right there. Look at that. Little green sunfish. Alright, you're good. Throw them back. Good. Alright, got a little crawfish on. Well, 30 seconds out. It's going on. Just give me a second. This feels amazing. Yeah, this 100% was the right call. There we go. Woohoo! That's a big old creek chub. Get in there. Big old creek chub. He pooped all over me. Awesome.
That way?
Under the branch.
There?
The big one.
The tree?
The tree trunk. That's where I was getting all my bites. If I wasn't with you, I probably would attempt to. But I'm with you. Woo! Heck yeah, creek chub. A native species right here. Oh, and he's off. Bye, buddy. There we go. Is this the same one that you caught? It might be. No, maybe not. I don't know, a little green sunfish. Little guy. That's going to be different casting. Woo! We got creek tarpon. Come up here. Chow, bro. Little creek chub. Come up here, there's more in here. Throw in there. This is the deepest spot right here. Look at that. Little green sunfish. Let some line out. You want to get it off? Actually, I think that might be a different species.
I get it.
Oh yeah, that's a long ear. Look at that. A little long ear. Grab it.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Just pull it out. There you go. I don't know how. You want me to just...
Me.
Ah! He's gone. Dang, that's quick. Had something right there. So I had something right there. There we go. Oh, that's a better fish. What we got on here? Oh man, this is a freaking giant creek chub. Look at this thing. Oh, did you get another one? Heck yeah. Look at this freaking giant creek chub, dude. Look at that guy. Ah. Never mind. Bye. Is it another sunfish? Huh? Oh, it's a creek chub. Oh, I had another little guy on there. Dang, you're hitting this thing left and right. Ooh, we got a long ear. I got a long ear. Heck yeah. Yeah, a little long ear. Look at that guy, how pretty he is. Wow. Bye. A really big creek chub over here and that little long ear. So I'd throw up in there, that middle. I haven't even fished that yet. Just stand right there.
Right here?
Yeah, wherever. No, you're good. Trust me. Here, I'll switch to this side so you can just overhead cast. Yeah, there's a little one right there.
Get distracted.
There you go. There you go. That's a, what is that? That's a rock bass. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. You want a picture of that?
Yeah.
Here at your phone? Heck yeah, a little rock bass. Show them to the camera real quick. Let them go. Yeah, it's a bigger fishy. I've never caught a rock bass out of here. Another long ear.
You get him. Maybe.
You got him. I believe in you.
You get it.
Good job. Good job.
Yeah, it's in there.
You got him. You just gotta hold him and take it off.
There we go. Little guy.
Little guy, a little longer.
Yeah.
Yep. He's beautiful. Let him go. Let him go.
How can I fish when I'm caught?
Just get it out. You're gonna have to walk up there. Woo! Look at that. Shiner. Caught me a shiner. This is the video of the shiners. I caught a bunch of shiners yesterday, and then a bunch today. We're catching a bunch of creek chub with some creek tarpons and some shiners and some long ear. Getting the whole trifecta.
Oh.
Get a little close.
Yeah, it went right between my legs.
There we go. What we got? Oh, I got a rock bass. Haha. Well now. Mini rock bass. Look at that little guy. Little rock bass. Bye. Thanks for the time. Liable to catch a little bass in that. Yep, see, I told you. What is that? That's another long ear, isn't it? Or is that a... I don't know what that is. Nope, that's another long ear. Awesome. I love creek fishing. He's off. Be able to catch a couple fish up here. I've caught some pretty nice bluegill in here. I've also seen a hell of a lot of gar up here. There we go. Another long ear. Wow, these are just super pretty. Or is this a pumpkin seed or a long ear? I don't know, that one might be bye. That one might be a pumpkin seed. I don't know, I'll have to look it up. I mean, it's not that deep. You'll be okay.
What, 5'10",
5'9", but I appreciate that.
either way, you're a giant.
You'll be okay. You want me to help you? There we go. What we got? We got a little bass. A little largemouth. Look at that. Little largemouth. Little largie. There we go, that's a good bass. Good bass right there. Dude, I'm telling you, I got a freaking giant on here. Holy, oh my God, that's a good fish. That's a 5-pounder. Look at this freaking fish. Wow.